In this video, I am making a vegan turkey that will satisfy all of your plant-based needs. So once we have all of the ingredients together, the very first thing we're going to do is add all of the wet ingredients into a food processor, and we're just going to blend it until it's really smooth and really kind of like a sauce. Now let's go ahead and take all of the dried ingredients, add them in a bowl together, mix it up so that way they're all fully incorporated. Now go ahead and add the wet ingredients with the dry ingredients. I like to mix it with a spatula a little bit to start getting it incorporated. And then getting in there with my hands and really kneading the overall dough mixture. This is where I'm not going to be shy about getting in there and kneading this pretty well, because turkey is fairly compact in the kneading process, and I want to make sure that I'm activating this vital wheat gluten to really bind the vegan meat together. Once we have our seitan dough ball together, I'm going to go ahead and add it to a cheesecloth and tie some twine around it. That's just going to help keep it in shape and hold everything together through the cooking process. Okay, so now we need to make a cooking marinade. So we're going to start off by doing some quick prep work on some veggies here. Okay, so the vegetables are all together. Let's go ahead and add it to our cooking dish. Now let's go ahead and add our seitan to that baking dish as well. I'm gonna pour some extra vegetable stock over the top of the roast. That's just gonna help keep it moist and really capture all of the flavors. Now let's cover it by aluminum foil. Let's go ahead and get it in our oven to cook. It's gonna cook quite a while, about 2.5 hours. But the seitan roast is complete. At this time, I'm taking it out. I'm removing the aluminum foil. I'm removing the cheesecloth, the twine, and we have our overall finished product. It's time to just slice and serve. First call out I'm gonna give is that when making this roast, you're cooking it in a cooking marinade, and if you take that marinade after the roast is done cooking, just run it through a strainer and keep those liquids. You can use that to make a gravy. That's gonna be absolutely fantastic to incorporate with this turkey dish. It's certainly going to help you out on your day of serving the food, right? Because you're going to have the gravy, you're going to have the roast, and combined, those flavors are absolutely fantastic. So now overall, we have this vegan turkey. And the first thing that I look at in the vegan turkey is how is the texture, right? Because years ago, I made vegan turkey, and frankly, it came out like a loaf of bread, right? It was literally like turkey bread. And so though the taste was good, the texture wasn't working right. This texture works great. The meat inside, it's tight enough, but yet it has enough of those like meat fibers to where the texture just, it works. It's absolutely fantastic. When it comes to flavor, I would say it definitely plays the role of tasting like turkey. I don't know that it tastes 100% like turkey, but you can certainly use this as a turkey replacement, a turkey alternative. And at the end of the day, that's what we want. It doesn't have to taste exactly like the real thing. There's a little bit of a sweetness in this, which I really enjoy, and I just really like that. You have the herbs on the outside, so that adds almost like the skin layer. It's slightly tougher, but it adds a lot of flavor, and it really kind of brings it all together. So that's pretty fantastic. When in regards to how it looks, I mean, I think it looks pretty close to a turkey roast. I mean, you can certainly do some things differently in terms of crafting it to make it look more like that overall turkey breast that you're serving and plating up and everything. But I mean, if you slice this up and you put it on a serving dish in the middle of your plate for your friends and family, and you put some of that gravy on the top, you are certainly going to impress them. This is a great turkey. Like, I really have no issues with this. This is fantastic. So again, overall, that's my thoughts and observations about this turkey. I'll definitely be holding on to this recipe to make it again in the future, and maybe even using this as a base turkey for other things to do with turkey roast. Because I'm definitely pleased with this, and I think that you will be pleased with it as well. So make sure that you come back and watch for some more videos. I have lots of great things coming your way because I'm your friend with food benefits, and well, I'll see you again real soon.